Awning window installation in Palmetto Bay, Florida, is a service that enhances the aesthetic and functionality of homes. Our expert awning window contractors in Palmetto Bay provide top-notch installation services, ensuring that your new awning windows Palmetto Bay fit perfectly and operate smoothly. Whether you are looking for vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay, aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay, or wood awning windows Palmetto Bay, our team has the expertise to handle all types of awning window installations in Palmetto Bay. For those seeking energy-efficient awning windows Palmetto Bay, our selection includes the latest designs that help reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient awning windows Palmetto Bay are a smart investment for homeowners in Palmetto Bay, Florida, looking to improve their home's insulation and reduce utility bills. Our awning window suppliers in Palmetto Bay offer a variety of energy-efficient options to suit your needs. Custom awning windows Palmetto Bay are available for homeowners who desire a unique look. Our awning window companies in Palmetto Bay specialize in creating custom designs that match your home's style and architecture. From custom awning window sizes to custom awning window colors, we provide personalized solutions to meet your specific requirements. Awning window installation in Palmetto Bay is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our skilled technicians offer comprehensive awning window installation services in Palmetto Bay, addressing issues such as broken awning window locks, damaged awning window hinges, and cracked awning window glass. Trust our Palmetto Bay awning window installation experts to restore your awning windows Palmetto Bay to their optimal condition. Awning window replacement in Palmetto Bay is a service that ensures your home remains secure and energy efficient. Our awning window replacement services in Palmetto Bay include removing old windows and installing new ones with precision. Choose from a wide range of awning windows Palmetto Bay styles and awning window brands to find the perfect fit for your home. Vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance. Our Palmetto Bay awning window showrooms feature a variety of vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay options, allowing you to see and feel the quality before making a decision. Vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay are an excellent choice for homeowners in Palmetto Bay seeking a cost-effective and long-lasting window solution. Aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay offer a sleek and modern look for any home. Our awning window consultations in Palmetto Bay provide you with the opportunity to explore the benefits of aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay, including their strength and resistance to corrosion. Visit our Palmetto Bay awning window showrooms to discover the perfect aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay for your home. Awning window installation in Palmetto Bay, Florida, is a service that requires expertise and precision. Our team of experienced awning window contractors in Palmetto Bay ensures that every installation is seamless and efficient. Whether you are looking for vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay, aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay, or wood awning windows Palmetto Bay, we have the perfect solution for your home. Our awning windows Palmetto Bay installation services are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. Energy-efficient awning windows Palmetto Bay are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our energy-efficient awning windows Palmetto Bay services include a range of options that help in maintaining optimal indoor temperatures. With our custom awning windows Palmetto Bay, you can choose from various awning window styles, awning window sizes, and awning window colors to match your home's design. Our awning window glass options are designed to provide maximum insulation and energy savings. For those in need of awning window installation in Palmetto Bay, our team offers comprehensive services to address any issues. From awning window locks to awning window hinges, we ensure that every component is functioning correctly. Our awning windows Palmetto Bay installation services include fixing awning window screens and replacing damaged awning window hardware. Trust our experts to restore your awning windows Palmetto Bay to their original condition with precision and care. Awning window replacement in Palmetto Bay is a service that we excel in, offering a wide range of awning window brands and awning window prices to suit every budget. Our awning window replacement Palmetto Bay services are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Whether you prefer vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay or aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our awning window frames are available in various materials and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Custom awning windows Palmetto Bay offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Our custom awning windows Palmetto Bay services allow you to select from a variety of awning window styles and awning window sizes. With our awning window consultations, you can explore different design options and receive expert advice on the best solutions for your home. Our awning window showrooms in Palmetto Bay provide a hands-on experience to help you make informed decisions. Vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. Our vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay services include a range of styles and colors to choose from. These windows are known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Our awning window companies in Palmetto Bay offer competitive awning window quotes to ensure you get the best value for your investment. Trust our awning window suppliers in Palmetto Bay to provide high-quality products and services. For top-notch awning window installation in Palmetto Bay, Florida, look no further than our expert awning window contractors. We specialize in energy-efficient awning windows Palmetto Bay, offering a wide range of awning window styles, sizes, and colors to suit your home. Our custom awning windows Palmetto Bay are designed to enhance your property's aesthetic while providing superior functionality. Whether you need vinyl awning windows Palmetto Bay, aluminum awning windows Palmetto Bay, or wood awning windows Palmetto Bay, our Palmetto Bay awning window services have you covered. If you're in need of awning window installation in Palmetto Bay, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. We handle everything from awning window hardware and awning window locks to awning window hinges and awning window glass. Our team ensures that your awning windows Palmetto Bay are in perfect working order, providing you with peace of mind and security. Trust our Palmetto Bay awning window installation services to restore your windows to their original condition. Considering an awning window replacement in Palmetto Bay? Our awning window companies offer competitive awning window prices and detailed awning window quotes to help you make an informed decision. Visit our awning window showrooms to explore the latest awning window brands and find the perfect fit for your home. Our awning window consultations provide personalized advice to ensure you choose the best awning window frames and awning window screens for your needs. For reliable awning window suppliers in Palmetto Bay, our team is dedicated to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. We pride ourselves on being the go-to source for all your awning window needs, from installation to replacement. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive awning windows Palmetto Bay services and discover why we're the preferred choice for homeowners seeking top-tier awning window solutions.